guys, welcome to Anira's channel. Today we are going to make Podi Idli. Let's check out the ingredients: coconut oil, egg, chopped onions, chopped ginger garlic, green chilies. The star of the show, idli. Guys, I have taken here 4 to 5 idlis and chopped and beaten in the chopper. Take some oil, add in mustard seed, fennel seed, chana dal and some curry leaves. Guys, now add in the chopped items and mix it well so that it don't burn. You can see it's very finely chopped, so I would recommend you to use a chopper. Mix it well and the onion should be little brown in color. Add in the spices, red chilli powder. Put the heat to the low. Add in turmeric, coriander powder and mix it well. The spices should be well roasted. It leaves that raw smell. And keep the heat in the low once it's done. So once the saute is done and you add in the chopped tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes. I took 1 tomato here. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add in the egg, beaten egg to the mixture and mix it well. So it's look like this. It gives you a scrambled egg consistency. Okay, now add in the crushed idli and add the salt as per your taste and add in the pepper powder as well. Serve it hot with the coffee or tea as a snack. It's a healthy recipe for weight loss, guys.